Hello, ladies. How are you today? And I thought today that I would talk about getting your teen to organize without the overwhelm. And you're saying, is that really possible? Because from what you told me, you ask your daughter to do something, clean her room, and you get the answer, I'll get to it. I'll do it later. Oh, Ma. That's a good one. Oh, Ma. And it gets put off and put off. And then you end up asking her, can you clean your room? Can you get something done tonight? Can you start on it? And for some reason, your teen doesn't. And it's the summer. They have all this time. There's no schoolwork if they're not in summer school. And they're like, I'm not going to do that in the summer. Now, this is for you. If you have those excuses from your daughter, or if you get her to clean her room, or she'll put one or two things away and ask, Ma, I did it. Mom, I did it. It's done. And you're looking, well, there's still clothes on the floor. There's clothes on the bed. As a parent, you're getting frustrated. You're tired of nagging. We've all been there. You're tired of nagging. And you're even volunteering. I'll help you with it. That's okay, Mom, I'll do it. Or not right now, Mom. You know what I'm talking about. That is why I am here to help with your daughter. I have this summer program starting July 11th for teenagers ages 13 to 18 who need to get organized, need to get motivated, need to get inspired, because we want them to succeed in school, in high school. They're going to high school. The 13-years are going to high school. They're nervous. They're anxious. They've got that in the back of their mind. They got to make new friends, new classes. How am I going to find all of my classes? How am I going to get to my classes in whatever it is, 4 or 5 minutes, when it's at one building or the next, or upstairs, downstairs? They're worried about all this. They're not thinking about organizing. That is why I get into mindset and organizing. Because don't you want your teen to start the year fresh, whether it's going to college or high school, with a better self-esteem, more confidence, and with skills to better her life success? Yes, better her life success, whether it's in a job, or if she chooses after school, after all the schooling's done, just to be a mom, so that she could teach her kids. We want to get our teens set up for success. I know I did I have a son, and when he turned 13, I was really trying to get him to, okay, we're going to start learning this and this. We're going to go in your room. We're going to put all your markers together, whatever it is, and help him get organized. Because it's so important. And we want our kids to obtain these skills, because when it comes time for their first job and there's a messy desk, the boss comes by and he looks at it and says, your daughter's a receptionist, and like, can you straighten up your desk? We've got people coming in. We don't want her to be embarrassed. We don't want her to feel like she's being singled out. That's the last thing we want for our kids. We want her to have her nice pencil holder there and her stapler on one side and have it all nice and neat, keep it clean. And this is what we want to prepare our children for life. And organizing is such a big part of it, very big part of it, whether you realize it or not. And yes, organizing can be overwhelming. You either get it or you don't, or you have a mental issue that blocks the organization, like ADD or ADHD. And parents, you know what I'm talking about, the constant redirection and reminders, And some of you may have it yourself, so you know what I'm talking about. So, starting July 11th, and it all will be online in a private Facebook group. I will have more details coming out very shortly, within the next 24 hours. And there's times when your child just won't listen to you. It's easier for a teacher or another parent to guide your child to get it done, to help them, to motivate them, to encourage them, to inspire them. Because we don't want our teenagers to repeat the same mistakes we made. Did my mom teach me about organization? I don't remember that, but I did have a clean room and I kept it clean. She asked that I clean it once a week. And I did not like things messy. I never liked that from the beginning. I couldn't stand that. That was just me. I was born into that. So my mom didn't have to teach me. I was lucky. If I had messy papers in my desk, I couldn't stand it. I was like trying to straighten them out. And I don't know why some kids have that mentality and some don't. It's either inborn or you learn it. And some kids have to learn it. Now, if you're interested in the program, DM me, ask questions, put them down here. I'll be happy to get on a quick call with you and explain things to you. Because yes, there's going to be a weekly assignment. Yes, there's going to be a weekly training. Yes, yes, yes. And within that 30-day program, they're going to be learning, growing, making new friends online in the group. They're going to have accountability partner, and it will be me and another teenager, keeping them on track. And we'll be getting in to all that my stuff as to why things are getting procrastinated, why they're procrastinating on things. We're gonna dig deep, we're gonna dig that out, and we're gonna work with that. So DM me, comment below, ask me the questions, whatever you need, because we want to have a successful summer. We want them to achieve success. We want them to have a good school year coming up. And I can't believe it, those back to school sales are probably going to be starting in July, right after Labor Day. Not Labor Day, oh my goodness. 4th of July already. So, let's do this for them. Do it for your team to start off the school year on a positive note. Bye, everybody. Ladies, thank you so much for your time. Bye.